If you've been living with diabetes or trying to manage your blood sugar, you might think that eating meat is a bad idea. After all, isn't meat full of fat and cholesterol? Doesn't it raise blood sugar levels? Shouldn't diabetics stick to plant-based foods? Well, here's the shocking truth. Some meats are actually excellent for managing diabetes. In fact, the right types of meat can help stabilize blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, and support overall health. The trick is choosing the right ones: lean, high protein, and packed with beneficial nutrients. So, if you thought you had to give up meat altogether, prepare to be amazed. In this video, we will explore 7 best meats for diabetics that you should eat to help lower blood sugar and improve your health. 1. Chicken breast. If you're looking for a satisfying and diabetes-friendly meat, grilled or baked chicken breast is an excellent choice. Chicken breast is naturally low in fat and high in protein, making it one of the best sources of lean protein available. One of the main benefits of chicken breast is that it helps keep you full without raising blood sugar levels, since it is packed with protein and contains very few carbohydrates. It provides long-lasting energy and helps prevent cravings for sugary foods. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for diabetics, and eating lean protein sources like chicken breast can be a great way to achieve this. Chicken breast also plays a role in muscle maintenance and insulin sensitivity. Protein is essential for repairing and building muscle, and having more muscle mass helps the body process glucose more effectively. This means that including chicken breast in your diet can actually help improve how your body responds to insulin. 2. Turkey. Turkey is another fantastic meat choice for diabetics, particularly lean cuts like ground turkey and turkey breast. While turkey is often associated with Thanksgiving, it's actually a great everyday protein source that is both healthy and versatile. One major benefit of turkey is that it contains selenium, a powerful antioxidant that plays a role in immune function and thyroid regulation. This is important for diabetics, as thyroid issues can affect metabolism and insulin sensitivity. Turkey is also rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that helps regulate mood and sleep, both of which are crucial for maintaining balanced blood sugar levels. Poor sleep can lead to insulin resistance and increased cravings for unhealthy foods, making turkey a great addition to an evening meal. One thing to watch out for is processed turkey, such as deli slices or turkey bacon. These often contain added sugar, preservatives, and sodium, which can cause blood sugar spikes and increase the risk of high blood pressure. Always opt for fresh turkey over processed versions to get the full benefits. 3. Salmon. If there is one type of meat that is an absolute superfood for diabetics, it's salmon. This fatty fish is one of the richest sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which offer incredible health benefits, particularly for blood sugar control and heart health. Omega-3s are powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce insulin resistance, making it easier for the body to regulate blood sugar and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, which is a common concern for diabetics. Additionally, salmon is packed with high-quality protein, which helps stabilize energy levels and keep you full longer. Another reason salmon is great for diabetics is that it provides a high amount of protein, which supports muscle maintenance and keeps you full longer. It is also an excellent source of vitamin D, a nutrient that plays a role in immune function and bone health. Many people with diabetes have low vitamin D levels, which can contribute to insulin resistance, making salmon a valuable addition to the diet. Studies have shown that omega-3 fatty acids can improve how the body responds to insulin, making salmon a powerful food for blood sugar control. Eating it regularly can help keep blood sugar levels stable while also supporting heart and brain health. 4. Grass-fed beef. Most people assume that red meat is bad for diabetics, but grass-fed beef is actually much healthier than conventional beef. The difference lies in what the cows eat. Grass-fed beef is lower in unhealthy fats and contains more beneficial nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. One of the biggest concerns with red meat is its saturated fat content, which can contribute to heart disease. However, grass-fed beef is lower in saturated fat than grain-fed beef and contains higher levels of conjugated linoleic acid (CLA), a type of fat that has been shown to improve fat metabolism and reduce the risk of obesity. It is also packed with zinc and iron two essential nutrients that support immune function and energy production. Many people assume all beef is bad for blood sugar control, but the quality of the meat matters. Choosing grass-fed beef over conventional options provides a healthier fat profile and more essential nutrients that support overall well-being. 5. Bison. If you love beef but want an even leaner and healthier alternative, bison meat is a fantastic option. It has fewer calories and less saturated fat than beef, while still being an excellent source of high-quality protein. One of the standout features of bison is its lower fat content. Compared to beef, bison contains significantly less saturated fat, making it a heart-healthy choice. It is also rich in B vitamins, particularly B12, which supports metabolism and energy production. Additionally, the high protein content helps keep hunger at bay and prevents blood sugar spikes. What many people do not realize is that bison is actually leaner than chicken. This makes it an excellent alternative for those who love red meat but want to manage their diabetes effectively. 6. Sardines. Sardines may not be the most popular food, but they are incredibly beneficial for diabetics. These small fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and essential nutrients that help regulate blood sugar and improve overall health. One of the greatest benefits of sardines is their high omega-3 content, which reduces inflammation and enhances insulin sensitivity. They are also a great source of calcium and vitamin D, which are essential for bone health and immune function. Many diabetics are at risk for osteoporosis, making sardines a smart addition to the diet. There are many ways to enjoy sardines. Try them on whole grain crackers with a squeeze of lemon juice for a quick snack. A sardine salad with mixed greens and balsamic dressing is another light but nutritious meal. Grilling sardines with roasted garlic and olive oil can bring out their natural flavors, while keeping them diabetes-friendly. Sardines are one of the few foods that naturally contain both omega-3s and vitamin D, making them a powerful choice for managing diabetes and promoting overall wellness. 7. Venison. Venison, or deer meat, is one of the leanest meats available, making it an excellent choice for diabetics. It has even less fat than chicken breast, which makes it a perfect option for those looking to reduce saturated fat intake. Venison is packed with protein, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling full. It is also rich in iron, which is essential for preventing anemia and maintaining energy levels. Since diabetics are more prone to fatigue, incorporating iron-rich foods like venison can help improve overall well-being. Venison is also a great source of zinc and B vitamins, both of which play important roles in immune function and metabolism. Since it is a wild meat, it is naturally free of hormones and antibiotics, making it a healthier option compared to conventionally raised meats. Many people wrongly believe that diabetics should avoid meat, but the truth is that choosing the right meats can actually support blood sugar control and overall health. The key is to avoid processed meats like bacon, sausage, and hot dogs, and instead opt for lean, high-protein, nutrient-rich. These meats help regulate blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and support heart health, all of which are crucial for diabetics. So the next time someone tells you that diabetics shouldn't eat meat, you can confidently say that the right meats can be incredibly healthy. By choosing high-quality, lean proteins and avoiding processed meats, diabetics can enjoy delicious meals while keeping their blood sugar levels in check. If you found this information valuable, hit the like button, share this video with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-saving health tips.